We're about to make tortellini, or as Todd Toven says, Tortellini. We're using his recipe. We've got cheese tortellini. They're about to be boiled. We've got 2 pounds of ground chicken, Italian seasoning. We've got roasted red bell peppers, salt, pepper, and garlic. We've got some garlic paste that'll go on with the chicken. We've got cherry tomatoes. We've got spinach. We've got Asiago cheese and basil to add to the top. So let's get cooking. Tortellini is cooking. Then we'll add that to the Blackstone in a little bit. Blackstone's on high and about to get cooking. Let's go down with the chicken. This is from our good friends at Taylor Family Farms in Etheridge, Tennessee. They raise the chickens and process them, and they sell ground chicken, chicken sausage, whole chickens, eggs, all kinds of stuff. But we are going to get that going. We're going to add some garlic paste. We like us some garlic, so we're going to mix that in. And we're also going to hit it with some Italian seasoning. Well, let's open up the backside and get a little bit more. Todd Toven on Blackstone channel actually said to use Italian sausage. We didn't have any Italian sausage, but we had ground chicken. And so there's nothing wrong with a little chicken tortellini. Getting it with a little salt and pepper and garlic. This is Tender's blend. Chicken is done. That didn't take long at all. Now it's time to add in the tortellini. We've got cheese tortellini today. We were going to get cheese and spinach, but they were out of spinach, so we're going to add that in, get our tomatoes going. Tortellini was frozen when we bought it, so we did have to cook it inside. You saw the clip of that just a little bit ago. We're going to mix this up, and we've got tomatoes to add in. We're going to add spinach in just a little bit, and then our roasted red bell peppers. We've got tomatoes. We'll get those going. Oh, that's already looking nice and bright. Oh, I need to close my trap back there at the back so that I don't lose anything out the back. Let those tomatoes and tortellini heat up. We're going to hit it with a little oregano. And then in just a couple of minutes after we let this cook down, we'll add the spinach to it, and it'll be almost time to take it off. Oh man, I wish you had smell-o-vision, because that sure is smelling good. Boy, that is looking good. And I'll tell you what, Todd Toven from Blackstone Products, I got his recipe. and you can find that at blackstone.com. But he uses ground Italian sausage. We didn't have any. We changed ours just to use the ground chicken because that's what we had. So maybe I just need to call this a Ralph-A-Roni. But we're about to plate this up. We're going to plate this up, and then we'll get inside and give it a try. Well, we need to clean up the edges to make it more presentable, but y'all forgive me. Boy, that looks good. And as it looks like right now, we've got leftovers, but I did double the recipe. It did say that the original recipe would feed a family of 4. I did double it, but Asiago cheese and basil added. Man, that looks good. Now it's time to give it a try. That's pretty good. Asiago cheese, the chicken, tortellini. I'll try Susan's bread in just a minute. But give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, the notification bell. That way you're notified each time we put up a video. Until next time, God bless.